I'm Michelle Wybenga. I'm a sales rep here at Avenue Shop, Swap and Sell in Leamington. We aim to give people a safe, convenient place to sell their items, to buy a huge variety of used and new items. Our core values are really honesty, caring, respect, and responsibility. We always consider not just the items that cross our counters. Every interaction is truly an exchange. In terms of responsibility, as a licensed retail store, folks can shop with confidence here. Every item must pass a police hold. We have a great relationship with Leamington OPP as well as the street crimes detectives. In terms of dealing with the COVID-19 situation, our mobile app launched early this year, and we ramped up features that let folks buy their items back, pay to extend their items. Folks could also shop our e-commerce site, and in all of it, they could arrange to pick up their items curbside and contactless. In terms of our community relations, we see that there's a lot of need around downtown Leamington, and we're an alternative for those who have goods and need cash, those for whom traditional lending sources aren't an option.